Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find image settings on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility, display and languages, and now click data usage, and now here you will find it. As you see, you will find image settings. You can manage it. You can manage if you want to autoplay with high quality, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.